ladies and gentlemen, get ready because the stakes are high, the pressure is on, and this game will determine who will claim the 5th spot in this intense play-in round. It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the undefeated USI Falcons in the seniors division, and both teams are ready to leave everything on the court in this crucial battle for the 5th spot. Good afternoon, Bicolandia. I am back and we're live from the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. I am Jasper Abante. Beside me is Christine Reyes, and we are so excited to bring you all the live actions, live drama, and of course the unforgettable moments only here on One Media TV, 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
At ayan nga, Jasper, pinag-uusapan na nga natin itong ating dalawang kupunan, the USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents, kung saan nga magtatapatan po itong galing sa Division 1 and Division 2. At doon sa ranking po ng ating USI Falcons, wala po silang talo during their elimination round, which is talagang nakakakaba on their side dahil ang makakatapat po nila ngayon, it's the ACC Green Serpents, yung ating first runner-up during the Bucal Season 5. At ngayon, meron pong 4 na panalo at 4 na talo during the elimination round.
Ayan, at yun na nga, napakagandang laban ang matutunghayan natin dito sa ating second game of the play-in round. Ayan, at undefeated po ang ating USI Falcons dito sa ating Division 2. At ito namang ating ACC Green Serpents ang first runner-up for Bucal Season 5.
Yes.
Kaya naman magandang bakbakan yung matutunghayan natin ngayong hapon, and for sure na-miss din ng ating mga online viewers yung mga top tier basketball actions talaga natin dito sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Syempre hatid sa atin yan ng One Media TV 48 Naga. And as we can see dito sa ating bleachers, medyo kakaunti yung supporters dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents all the way from Tabaco City, Albay, and on the side naman of the USI Falcons, medyo marami-rami rin sila tin. Pero for sure, nakatutok yung iba sa kanila dito sa ating online live. Ayan na, at let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Chen on the side of the USI Falcons. Let's call on our courtside reporter to give us an update. Alright, so Chen, take it away.
Good afternoon, Tin and Jasper, and hello, Bicolandia. Sa pagtatapos ng elimination round ay narito na tayo sa isa sa pinakahihintay ng lahat, the play-in round. And we will be now witnessing the match-up between the USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents. This is your courtside reporter, Chen, para magatid ng latest kaganapan dito sa side ng Falcons. We've just witnessed an incredible run by the USI Falcons, who have clinched an impressive 8-game winning streak to close out the elimination round. And as I got a little conversation with their team captain, jersey number 22, John Michael Doloso, ika nga niya na mas puspusang pag-eensayo ang kanilang ginawa para mas maging kondisyon sila para sa larong ito. Alam niyo, Tin and Jasper, ayon kay Coach Tupe, 10 lang ang kanyang players na maglalaro. Kaya naman, ang tanong, mapapanatili kaya ng ACC Green Serpents ang kanilang spot o makukuha ng ating soaring Falcons that aiming not just to win but to fight for the title? Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa nag-iisang Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, handang-handa ngayon ang ating USI Falcons dahil nga, ito, naglalabanan sila for the 5th spot para sa ating quarterfinals. At nasabi nga dito ni Chen na 10 players lang yung maglalaro on the side of the USI Falcons. So titingnan natin what will be the changes on Coach Tupe gameplay. Dahil nga nakita na natin yung paglalaro nila during the elimination round. But on the other side, the ACC Green Serpents, napakaganda din ng performance na ipinakita nila. Kaya ano yung paghahanda pang ginawa nila para dito sa ating player. And to hear an update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, let's hear it from Liz. Hi Liz, any updates?
High-flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are here live at the Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium for the play-in of Bucal Season 6. This is the much-anticipated battle for the 5th spot between the two powerhouse teams, the Amanda Cope College Green Serpents versus the Unibersidad de Sta Isabel Falcons. I am your courtside correspondent, Gislin Habala, reporting from the bench of the ACC Green Serpents. Today, the Serpents Serpents are on the verge of claiming their most coveted spot this season. According to the team captain of ACC Green Serpents, John Nico Nagar, their last game against the Annunciation Panthers was deeply affected because of the absence of some of their key players. Yet today may not be the same story as their lineup is now complete and they are all set to showcase their better offensive and defensive strategies. With that, the question remains, will the ACC Green Serpents claim their sweet taste of victory against the USI Falcons? Or will the USI Falcons continue its impressive winning streak for this season? Stay tuned for the latest updates only here on One Media, TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ayun na nga. Let's see. Itong laban ito talagang for sure. Magandang laban ito, and as we can see, itong ating ACC Green Serpents ngayon, kumpletong-kumpleto na sila 10. While on the other side naman ng ating USI Falcons, 10 players lamang yung naandito para maglaro. And let's see on how the ACC Green Serpents will take advantage doon sa konting players nitong ating USI Falcons, because na-mention nga ng ating courtside reporter na yung last game nila kontra sa Annunciation Panthers, medyo nahirapan talaga sila doon since especially absent or wala doon yung kanilang mga key players, but now they're complete. Let's see sa laban na ito as we will begin the tip-off.
At yan nga, Jasper, itong ating USI Falcons with that 8-0 ranking during the elimination round. Kailangan ngayon patunayan nila na they really deserve the spot at makuha yung pang-5 pwesto para dito sa ating darating the quarterfinals. And as of the moment, it's the basketball of the USI Falcons. Posada passes to Del Rosario, 17 seconds to shoot, no good. Now, Galvez with that rebound. And dyan din si Naga, which is our MVP last season. Kaya tignan natin yung rotation dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Now, ball possession of the USI Falcons on the corner. Now, Doloso hands it to jersey number 3. No good on that 3 points attempt. Now, Jean Nico Nagar. Wala pang nakakapuntos. Let's see now, Galvez! 2 points on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Ayan, first basket para sa side ng Green Serpents. But let's see now as Asibor fires for 3. Still no good on their side here. Now, a chance here for the Green Serpents for a back-to-back point. And the ball will stay on their side here. And of course, pasalamatan lang din natin, Jasper, ang ating mga sponsors na talagang patuloy yung pagsuporta sa ating Bucal Season 6. Now, back to the ball game tayo dito. Galvez, no good on that attempt.
Now, jersey number 10 has it to Doloso. Now, 15 pull-up jumper, no good. A long pass here to jersey number 10.
Medyo nahihirapan dito ang USI Falcons with their offensive side. Now Galvez, 12 seconds to shoot. Hanap dito, pass to jersey number 9. 5 seconds on the time. Galvez pass to jersey number 10. Too short for that one.
Sayang yun, 10. A good pass sana coming from Galvez. Now USI Falcons on the offense. No good rin on their attempt. Now Jean Nico Nagar. Medyo nahihirapan ditong pumuntos itong ating ACC Green Serpents. And still coming from Asibor, libreng-libre. Dagdagan na natin ng 2 puntos ang kanilang score.
Now, kailangan bantayan ng ACC Green Serpents yung depensa ngayon ng USI Falcons. Now, let's see here. Jersey number 5 with the ball. Tied on 2. Now goes inside. Passes to Galvez. Loses it. Now Posada with the ball. Goes inside. Passes to Del Rosario. What a good assist we have here for the side of the USI Falcons.
Now Galvez. 2 points lead of the USI Falcons. Mabilis na facing itong dalawang teams na ito. Galvez back-to-back points. Grabe. Now Asibor. on the side of the USI Falcons. Now on the corner, Asibor di diretso. No good on that attempt by Asibor. Now John Nico Nagar hands it to jersey number 10. A clean game ang pinapakita ng dalawang teams na ito.
Now Nagar with the ball here. On the offense ngayon ang ating Green Serpents. Pass to jersey number 5. 3 seconds on the time. Goes inside but blocked by Doloso. Naubusan na ng oras doon. Now that's great para dito sa ating USI Falcons dahil napakaganda ng depensang ipinapakita nila dito sa pagsimula pa lang ng ating first quarter.
Now, USI once again on the offense, Doloso. Well-guarded Doloso hands it to Posada. Now, to jersey number 3, Asibor. Now, Asibor di diretso on the corner. Hindi pa tinira doon ni Posada. He still looks for a good opportunity. Pero dito, natawagan ng blocking foul. Si jersey number 7 of the ACC Green Serpents. The same ball possession pa rin tayo on the side of the USI Falcons.
Now 14 seconds on the time of the USI Falcons here. 6 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Now Doloso to inbound. Now passes here to Del Rosario. Jersey number 15 now to Asibor. 9 seconds on the time here. Asibor was there for that ball of the Falcons here. Heavily guarded by Galvez. Passes on the other side. At naubusan na nga ng oras ang ating USI Falcons. So it will be a turnover for the side of the Green Serpents here.
Now 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Now jersey number 7 hands it to Galvez. With 14 seconds to shoot for the ACC Green Serpents. Now jersey number 9. Nagmamadali, parang may pupuntahan. Hindi na nagpapigil doon. Jersey number 9. Ayan. Now,
Jasper, napakaganda ng opensa doon ng ating ACC Green Serpents na kahit grabe yung depensang ipinakita ng USI Falcons, talagang nailusot pa yon ni jersey number 9. Now Galvez tries for a 3-pointer. Now having that big lead here dito sa ating first quarter. And because of that, Beltran on the other side. Natawagan dito ng foul.
Grabe. Napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang ating side ng USI Falcons courtesy of Coach Christopher Espinosa. Ayan, grabe. Galvez get that steal. Siya na yung nag-steal ng bola and yet siya pa yung tumira ng 3 points. 3 big points coming from Galvez. Now let's take a look after that shot by jersey number 9 kanina. Grabe. And as we can see, kanina rin natawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 7 on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And Asibor will get that 2 free throws.
Now 9-5 on our scoreboard here. Asibor still on the free throw line. We're halfway through our first quarter. Pero low scoring pa rin tayo ngayon, Jasper, because of that defense from both sides. Talagang pinapakita nila na handang-handa sila ngayon. At yung ACC Green Serpents, pinapangalagaan nila yung kanilang 5th spot dito. Pero USI Falcons talagang lalaban to get that spot para may malaking advantage during the quarterfinals. But now, Del Rosario, and a snatch coming from Beltran. And too short for that one. And now, nagmamadali dito. Posada goes inside, passes on the outside for a 3-pointer, no good. Pero whistled foul after that last sequence.
Coming from jersey number 9 of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Quijano checked in on the side of the USI Falcons. Grabe, napaka init na agad ang ating first quarter dito. Now Posada fires for 3 but no good. And a defensive rebound and may kasabay na ngang shooting foul dito. Itong si Beltran coming from jersey number 10 of the USI Falcons, Posada. Ayan, kanina nakita natin din na Beltran after that fast break, nagreklamo siya doon ng shooting foul but then walang naitawag doon yung ating officials. But this time, malinaw na malinaw. Beltran, may kasama na siya ditong 2 free throws.
Now, first free throw was no good here for the side of the Green Serpents. 9-6 on our scoreboard. Now, as we can see right now on the side of the USI Falcons, medyo nahihirapan sila dun sa offensive side. Walang magandang puntos pa ngayon si Asibor as well as Doloso. Pero let's see, as we're only starting this matchup against the ACC Green Serpents, well, on the other side, nagpolo na nga ng tres itong si Galvez. Sa mga ano pa na andyan sina Beltran and Nagar. Now, USI Falcons on the offense here. Asibor passes to the other side. 15 seconds to shoot here. Tries for a three-pointer, no good. And the ball will stay on the side of the Falcons.
4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter and still 4 points lead ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, on the corner, no good on that 3. And still, back-to-back, still no good pa rin. Grabe. And ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Yun nga, Jasper, ang daming opportunity doon sa side ng ating USI Falcons, pero talagang nahihirapan sila doon sa kanilang shooting ngayong first quarter. Kaya titingnan natin kung ano yung maging adjustment nila dito dahil nakita na nila yung problema nila during the first quarter. Pero after that last sequence, Asibor with that defensive side, babalik yung bola sa side ng USI Falcons with 14 seconds to shoot here.
Now, Doloso to jersey number 18. Nagmamadali but no good. Well guarded jersey number 18. Now, jersey number 5 naman ngayon. Libreng-libre. Getting that 2 points. Raising their lead to 6 points on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Burse hands it to Lok. Now, Asibor goes to the inside. Still no good pa rin on the side of the USI Falcons.
Medyo hindi pa natin nakikita yung laro dito ng Falcons. But on that last sequence, a turnover para dito sa ating USI Falcons. 3 minutes and 23 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. At 12-6 pa rin po ang nasa ating puntos ngayong matchup nito. Now, Locke with the ball here. 20 seconds on the time. Now step back for a three-pointer. That's good this time. Locke having that big 3 for the USI Falcons.
Grabe. Binabaka agad nitong ating USI Falcons sa 3 points yung kalamangan dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Well, as we can see, mahigpit na depensa ang pinapakita nitong ating ACC Green Serpents. Kaya nahihirapang pumuntos dito itong ating USI Falcons, but they had these chances sa labas or on the 3 points line and beyond. And as we can see coming from Asibor, grabe. Now jersey number 7, Beltran hands it to jersey number 5 with 4 seconds on the shot clock. Now 1 second. And ayun na nga, it's not counted since nakabusan na nga sila doon ng shot clock. Turnover on the side of the USI Falcons.
Now, the Falcons have a chance here to tie the game here. 12-9 on our scoreboard. Now let's see as this is their ball. Now Burse to inbound. Now passes to Cruelos. 12-9 ang ating puntos ngayon. Pero jersey number 9 dito, holding foul. Now, jersey number 5, Ciruelos, to inbound now. 24 seconds shot clock for the Falcons. Burse passes here to jersey number 5 to Locke on the other corner. Again, Locke having his second three-pointer for this first quarter of the game of the USI Falcons. And nasabi na nga natin kanina, Jasper, we are tied on 12 all. 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Now let's see here kung ano magiging sagot ng Green Serpents. But a whistled foul was called on the side of the USI Falcons.
Grabe, ang bilis na itablan itong ating USI Falcons. Yung puntos o yung kalamangan na nagawa kanina ng ating ACC Green Serpents, grabe. I think it's almost 4 to 5 minutes nila ginawa yung kalamangan na yun, and yet USI Falcons binawi agad yun in just 2 runs dahil sa dalawang 3 points na kanilang ginawa. And as we can see, Beltran standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. And that's good for his first attempt. Now on his second attempt, that's good. Ayan, 2 points pa rin po ang kanilang kalamangan dito. And penalty situation na tayo on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
At ayan nga, hindi pinibitawan ng Green Serpents yung kanilang kalamangan dito against the USI Falcons. But now, a steal from the side of the Green Serpents. Nagar passes on the inside. Jersey number 18. Di alintana yung mga guardia dyan, but Ciruelos was there to steal that ball. Pero another turnover for the side of the USI Falcons. Now Nagar with the ball, 18 seconds to shoot. Here goes inside, but a whistled foul, and he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here.
After that pushing foul committed by jersey number 18 of the USI Falcons, and now Baita and Asibor checked in for the USI Falcons. Ayan, 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Grabe, napakahigpit ng ating battle for the 5th spot. Titingnan natin kung talagang i-maintain ng ating USI Falcons yung kanilang title na undefeated ngayong season, and paano rin nila bibit-bitin yung pressure, since yun na nga, kakaunti sila dito on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Kompleto sila including their key players.
And you know what, Jasper, it will be a change of gameplay dun sa USI Falcons kasi during the elimination round, yung kalaban nila during the Division 2, talagang pantay-pantay sila eh. Pero now na makikipaglaban sila or nakikipaglaban sila with the ACC Green Serpents, one of the biggest team dito sa ating Bucal Season 6, nakakapanibago. Dahil napakaganda ng performance ng ACC Green Serpents, dito natin masasabi if their USI Falcons talagang nag-improve from Season 5 gameplay, now Season 6. And as we can see right now, hindi din sila nagpapahuli sa pagpuntos dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And of course, Locke leading the USI Falcons here with his 2 3-pointer dun sa mga naunang minuto ng ating first quarter.
Ayan, ball possession pa rin of the ACC Green Serpents. 1 minute and 18 seconds remaining. Now, Buena Obra, nagmamadali, di alintana yung mga gwardiya niya doon. And what a pass to jersey number 18, getting that 2 points. Now, 3 points lead, dagdagan pa natin yan. A 5 points lead coming from the ACC Green Serpents, pero agad namang nakabawi dyan ng 2 points itong ating USI Falcons.
Now 47 seconds remaining here. Jersey number 19 with the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Passes on the outside, pero still from the side of the Falcons.
And almost coming from the USI Falcons. Now Locke once again, almost a 3 naman. No good on that follow-up shot by Ciruelos. Now for their third chance, no good The 3 points by Asibor. Now, ACC Green Serpents basketball. Nagar to jersey number 19 on the outside. No good. Once again, Nagar. Pero may bawi talaga dyan si jersey number 18 na laging nakaabang. And that's the end of our first quarter. Grabe, napakaigpit na laban. 5 points lead ang hawak na kalamangan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami after a short break.
And we are back for the second quarter of the game here of the matchup of the USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents. At doon nga po sa ating first quarter of the game here, the ACC Green Serpents, di alintana yung gwardya dito ng ating USI Falcons. Pero hindi din naman nagpapatalo itong ating USI Falcons. Paunti-unti talagang binuboost nila yung kanilang galing for the offensive side of the USI Falcons. And as we can see right now, 19-16 on our scoreboard. 3 puntos lamang po yung hinahabol ngayon ng ating Falcons. So let's see para dito sa ating second quarter kung ano ba yung magiging changes from these both teams, dahil nakita na nga nila during the first quarter of the game na itong ating ACC Green Serpents, grabe yung depensa, while on the other side the USI Falcons kailangan mapagtingin yung kanilang opensa sa laban na ito against the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, ACC ball possession. Now, John Nico Nagar, well guarded John Nico Nagar. Now, buena obra to Beltran, pero natawagan dito ng traveling violation. Hatid sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. Ayan. Ball possession of the USI Falcons. Now, Asibor hands it to Lok. Now, to jersey number 9. And a steal by Buena Obra. Libreng-libre dito jersey number 19. Pero nasabayan siya doon. And the same ball possession pa rin for the ACC Green Serpents. Ayan at Kit Buena Obra to inbound.
Now, Buena Obra, isa talaga sa key players din nitong ating ACC Green Serpents from the elimination round. Napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita niya dito. Talagang nakikipagsabayan. And now as we can see, on our second quarter of the game, ACC Green Serpents now on the offensive side. Jersey number 19 passes here on the inside. And that's an easy 2. And dagdag puntos para dito sa ating Green Serpents na napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila from the start of this matchup against the USI Falcons. And to hear an update para dito sa ating Green Serpents, andyan si Liz. Liz, anong balita natin dyan?
Rick and Teen, indeed, the ACC Green Serpents showed up 100% prepared for this match. As we end the first quarter, it is clear that they are making a strong statement early in the match and currently leading against the USI Falcons. However, during the last 2 minutes of the first quarter, the game started getting neck and neck with the USI Falcons countering with their strategic ball movement. During the huddle, Coach John encouraged the Serpents to stick to their game plan and stay focused on their roles. Now, the Green Serpents are all set to dominate the succeeding quarters. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Mukhang hindi pa nakaka-get over itong ating courtside reporter na si Liz from our commentator last game, Rick Puerta. Ayan, at thank you so much for your update. And let's see kung paano nila i-dominate. And syempre, ipapagpatuloy yung kanilang kalamangan dito sa ating second quarter as we are on the 7th minute mark of the second quarter. Now, pull-up jumper coming from jersey number 5. And that's good. Ayan, at let's hear an update naman on the side of the USI Falcons. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporters na si Chen. Alright, so Chen, take it away.
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. First quarter pa lang nga ay nagpakita na agad ng tibay at galing ang dalawang kupunan. Nagsisimula pa lamang ang laro at kitang-kita naman na parehas gustong umuwing panalo. And during the huddle nga, lagi lang paalala ni Coach na huwag magmadali dahil nagsisimula pa lamang ang laro. Kailangan lang nila ditong mas sipagan pa. Slowly but surely, ika nga. Yan muna ang latest dito sa side ng Falcons. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga, ito yung plano ng USI Falcons, paunti-unti lamang. And as we can see right now, paunti-unti na nga nakukuha ng USI Falcons yung magandang momentum nila dito sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter. Now, 25-24 on our scoreboard. Napakaganda dahil pagsimula ng ating second quarter, talagang umarangkada yung laro dito ng ating Falcons. But now, Beltran passes to jersey number 19 with that flawless 3 points. Napakaganda, bumawi agad itong ating ECC Green Serpents doon sa napakagandang back-to-back points of the Falcons here. Now let's see as Asibor with the ball for the side of the Falcons here. Passes to jersey number 15. 8 seconds to shoot on their side here. Hahanapin dito si Asibor. Asibor, anong gagawin with that 3 seconds on the time clock? Now, and with that, naubusan na nga ng oras. Sayang yung oportunidad na yun para dito sa ating USI Falcons dahil sila yung naghahabol dito sa ating Green Serpents.
Well, as we can see, Tin, hindi pa nakakalamang itong ating USI Falcons dito sa ating battle for the 5th spot. And kung baga naitabla naman nila pero hindi pa sila nakakalamang dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. We still have to wait dun sa pagbawing kailangan nilang gawin or gagawin nila.
Now, Naga have a chance here to extend the lead na hawak ngayon ng Green Serpents. Passes on the inside jersey number 10. Napakaganda nung kanilang offense dito. Now, 30-24. Now, a big 6-point lead dito dahil yung 6 points medyo malaki na para dito sa ating mga kupunan. Hindi dapat sila magpuhuli dito, most especially the Falcons, because sabi nga natin sila yung naghahabol dito. But on that last sequence, Doloso having that second chance point here and the Sibor steal that ball. Falcons na yun, dire-diretso yung magandang laro dito. Asibor, tatawagan ng foul dyan on the side of the Green Serpents. 5 minutes and 24 seconds, 30-26 sa ating scoreboard ngayon.
Well, as we can see, yung basic adjustment na ginawa nitong ating USI Falcons pagdating sa kanilang offense is yung they are trying to shoot the ball hanggat may chance sila. They are doing their best para maipasok ang bola, and as we can see, a good defense naman for displaying a back-to-back steals.
Now, Green Serpents on the offense now. Nagar pass to jersey number 9. Apat yung hawak nila ngayon. Goes inside, tries, no good. Posada was there for that rebound. Now heavily guarded here. Jersey number 15 loses the ball. And Green Serpents, dire-diretso ngayon dito. Jersey number 5. Now, papasok sa loob. Napakaganda sana nun. But ang offensive rebound Too short for that one. And another steal for the side of the Green Serpents. Now they're taking their time. Galvez for a big three. No good this time. And Ciruelos with that rebound.
Now, to jersey number 3, Asibor. With 14 seconds to shoot. Stops and pops for 3 but no good on that attempt by Doloso. And a wrong pass to jersey number 5 of the ACC Green Service. Now, Galvez makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws. Grabe, a good opportunity for the ACC Green Serpents na dagdagan yung kanilang kalamangan dito. Ayan, at 4 points lead pa rin ang kanilang hawak na kalamangan. Well, let's see kung ilang puntos pa din yung idadagdag nila dyan and how do they will maintain their lead.
At kung mapapansin mo nga, Jasper, yung ating mga talagang pointers dito sa USI Falcons, talagang nahihirapan sila to convert a point here. We have Doloso as well as Asibor na talagang medyo hindi pa natin nakikita yung init sa kanilang opensa. But let's see. Pero dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents, hindi pa rin nila binibitawan yung napakagandang momentum from the offensive to defensive battle para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Hindi papatalo. And speaking of that, Galvez again with that steal. Passes to Nagar. What a good assist and combination of the players here on the side of the Green Serpents. And the timeout was called here from the side of the USI Falcons. 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. 33-26. 7-point lead po ang hawak ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents.
Well, let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito since 3 puntos na nga yung lamang na nagawa nitong ating ACC Green Serpents after they froze yung puntos nitong ating USI Falcons to 26 and ngayon 7 points na yung hawak na kalamangan nila dito. And let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments on their defense as well as sa kanilang opensa since medyo nahihirapan talaga sa opensa itong ating USI Falcons. And let's see kung nagtitake advantage na talaga itong ating ACC Green Serpents dun sa 10 players ng ating USI Falcons. Ayan, at as we can see din 10, itong si John Nico Nagar kanina pang naglalaro for the ACC Green Serpents since the first quarter.
Hindi talaga pinahinga dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents dahil napakalaki nung ambag niya talaga dito sa kanilang kupunan. But as we can see, we have Calves, Bunaobra, the key players of the ACC Green Serpents na talagang patuloy yung pagbigay ng puntos dito from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Burse with that basket and a whistled foul on the side of the Green Serpents here. And a quick shoutout lang, Jasper, dito sa ating live audience. And of course, sa ating live viewers sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Shoutout kay Alrea Balderrama, Ibel Joy Adolin, Suzette Samson, Calex Naichi, at kay Christina Valenzuela. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, Burse on the free throw line para dito sa side ng USI Falcons. At kahit yung mga free throw dito ng USI Falcons, kailangan nila dito dahil medyo napalaki na ng Green Serpents yung kanilang kalamangan. And first free throw of Burse is good. Now, kailangan niya pa ng isa dito para mabawasan yung kalamangan ng Green Serpents. Now, for the second free throw of Burse. That's good. Now, that's a 3 free throws para dito kay Burse for that 3-point attempt. Burse for his last free throw here, 33-28. 5-point lead, and he make it a 4-point lead against the Green Serpents.
3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Now, John Nico Nagar hands it to jersey number 5. Now, no hesitation dun, 10. Getting that 2 points, agad natin yung idadagdag sa kanilang kalamangan. Now, jersey number 22, Doloso. Well guarded by Galvez. Now, jersey number 15, Graho. Almost a 2, but no good. Now, defensive rebound of the ACC Green Serpents, John Nico Nagar. Well guarded John Nico Nagar. Now to jersey number 8. Now to Galvez. Pero may pagsundot doon itong si Burse. Still ACC Green Serpents and a traveling violation na nga yung naitawag doon kay jersey number 10 of the ACC Green Serpents, and a quick turnover tayo dito on the side of the USI Falcons. Now jersey number 18 checked in for the ACC Green Serpents and change of jersey number 10. Now Posada of the USI Falcons.
Now, jersey number 15 passes to Posada. At kung makikita mo, Jasper, itong ating ACC Green Serpents, napakabilis lang nilang mabawi yung mga puntos na nagagawa dito ng ating USI Falcons. Kasi kung kanina, 5 na lang yung hawak or 4 na lang yung hawak na kalamangan ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents, balik na naman po sa 6. Kung kaya talagang kailangan na gawa ng paraan ng USI Falcons para mas mapalapit pa yung kanilang puntos dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents, because we only have 2 minutes and 23 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Now, Nagar with a ball possession here, passes to Galvez. Now, Galvez on the other side, jersey number 5, no good on that 3-point attempt. Burse with that rebound.
Stops. And pops for 3, pero no good on that attempt by Burse. Ayan, quick shoutout muna tayo dito, partner, kay Isabel Dawhog. Ayan, happy viewing po. Tutok na tutok sa laban ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, USI Falcons, Del Rosario on the corner to Doloso, getting that 3. And that's good on the side of the USI Falcons. Grabe. Ayan, at naibaba na nila sa 3 puntos na kalamangan yung lamang dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Galvez. No good on that attempt by Galvez. And a defensive rebound here by jersey number 15, Del Rosario. Now, an error committed by Posada. Medyo napalakas kasi doon yung pasa nitong si Del Rosario. And a turnover here on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, sayang yung opportunity na yun sa USI Falcons. Kayang-kaya na maitabla muli yung kanilang laro dito. But Galvez again, one more time, goes inside. No good. And a rebound from the side of the Falcons here. Now, they need this point. 35-32. Now, Burse. 15 seconds to shoot here. Now, hahanap dito ng mapapasahan. Heavily guarded by Galvez. Doloso ngayon may hawak ng bola. Passes to jersey number 15 and no good. Pero yung bola mapupunta sa side ng ating Green Serpents after that foul coming from Del Rosario. 56 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Now it's the ACC Green Serpents basketball. Beltran to inbound here. 3 puntos, hawak ngayon ng Green Serpents. Now let's see if they can be consistent here sa pagtapos ng ating second quarter, 56 seconds.
Now John Nico Nagar for the ACC Green Serpents. Well guarded here by Doloso. Now to jersey number 7, Beltran. Hands it to jersey number 4. Now, with 5 seconds on the shot clock, jersey number 18, no good. Pero may pagbawi dyan, itong si Beltran. Now, Posada on the side of the USI Falcons. Now, to Asibor. Posada, a good ball rotation on the side of the USI Falcons with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ayan, and 14 seconds naman yung ating nasa game clock. And no good on that 3 points attempt by Del Rosario, pero may pagbawi dyan si Posada. Saktong-sakto yung pagtatapos nung shot clock doon, and a timeout has been called by the ACC Green Serpents. Ayan, let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong adjustments dito sa natitirang 8 seconds ng ating second quarter. Ayan, at as we can see,
At ayan nga, Jasper, napakaganda ng laro talaga ng USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents. Kahit man na napapalayo yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents, nagagawa ng paraan ng USI Falcons. Pero nasabi mo nga kanina na hindi pa sila nakakalamang all throughout this journey from first quarter to second quarter. So now let's see with that remaining 8 seconds on what will be the changes here. Kung makakapuntos ba itong ating ACC Green Serpents at patuloy yung kalamangan nila, or there will be a miracle on the side of the USI Falcons.
now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. 8 seconds. Now, John Nico Nagar with 3 seconds. Now on the corner, jersey number 4. And sayang yung kanilang gameplay doon. And that's the end of our first half. Ayan, at 1 puntos ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
And we're back for the second half of action. Dito lamang yan sa Bucal Season 6. Ay natin pagpapatuloy lang po natin yung laro ng ating ACC Green Serpents and the USA Falcons, the battle for the 5th spot. Ayan, at isang puntos lamang po ang nagawang kalamangan ng ating ACC Green Serpents doon sa nagdaan na first half. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Christine Reyes dito sa ating second half.
At ayan nga, Jasper, nakita natin yung napakagandang performance nitong ating dalawang kupunan, and kudos sa USI Falcons na hindi talaga nagpatinag doon sa galing ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Talagang hinahabol nila yung napakagandang laro dito ng Green Serpents, and as of now, with that start of the third quarter, unang puntos po napunta sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents, and now offensive side, itong ating USI Falcons. Asibor with the ball now. Asibor, yung ating key player dito sa USI Falcons, hindi natin masyadong naramdaman during the first half of the game here. But now, let's see dito sa ating second half kung ano yung naging adjustment dito ng mga players ng USI Falcons. And on that last sequence, hindi pa pumasok yung huling tira dito from the side of the Falcons. Now, ACC Green Serpents on the offense. Jersey number 5. A foul was whistled here.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. John Nico Nagar hands it to Galvez. Now Galvez on the outside to Nagar. Getting that 2 points. Grabe. Patuloy yung kalamangan nila dito sa ating pagsisimula ng second half. Ayan. Now, jersey number 15. Nagkaroon doon ng steal coming from jersey number 5. Now, Nagar once again, well guarded by Asibor. Grabe yung tapatan nila doon ni Asibor. But no good on that attempt.
Now, USI Falcons on the offense. Asibor, 39-34. Now passes on the other side. Posada for a big three for the side of the USI Falcons here. And with that, naibaba nga dito yung putos na kalamangan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Napakaganda nung naging adjustment ngayon paunti-unti on the side of the USI Falcons. At napakaganda din nung start ng third quarter para sa kanila. At para malaman natin kung ano nga ba yung gameplay ngayon ng USI Falcons, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. We are now on the second half of the game at natapos nga ang first half na gitgita ng laban. During the huddle nga, the players are reminded to have a proper execution at simulan ng maganda ang third quarter of the game. Bigyan ng kumpiyansa ang sarili, lalong-lalo na ang kalaban. At sigaw nga ng Falcons during the huddle sa atin ang larong ito. Kaya naman kailangan nila dito maging consistent sa kanilang galaw na ipinapakita. Yan lamang ang latest dito sa side ng Falcons. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Shannon, that update from the side of the USI Falcons. And ayun na nga, 2 puntos na naman lang 10 yung lamang dito na hawak ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And we'll see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito para sila naman yung lumamang dito sa ating second half. Now, Asibor hands it to Doloso. Almost a 3, but a defensive rebound here coming from Galvez of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Jan Nico Nagar. Well guarded here by Doloso. Jan Nico Nagar hindi nagpapigil, getting that 2 points. And now, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Les, on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Les, anong update natin dyan?
Bicolandia, we are now on the second half of the game. As the game progressed, the pressure was real here at the ADNU Gymnasium, with both teams eager to dominate the game. The second quarter was challenging for the Serpents as the Falcons started to find their rhythm and maintain their momentum. Yet the Serpents, despite the pressure of a challenging quarter, stayed composed and tried to execute the on-ball defense, which became instrumental for them to dominate the second quarter. Now that we are on the third quarter, the Serpents must tighten up their defense, utilize their big man, lessen their dribbles, kick out, and have proper communication on the hardcourt to increase their lead against the USI Falcons. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Tin and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Liz. Ayan nga sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Less dribble para less turnover para dito sa side ng Green Serpents. And of course, mas paigtingin pa yung depensa dito. Because as we can see right now, the USI Falcons nagpapaulan po ng puntos. And for the very first time, they got the 2-point lead here against the ACC Green Serpents. But jersey number 18 was there for a basket count with a foul and a chance for a 3-point play here. Now, a quick replay para dito yung 3-pointer galing kay Asibor. And now, jersey number 18 on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Bumawi agad dito sa side ng USI Falcons and getting that 1-point lead against the Falcons.
Grabe, parang itinapon lang doon ni Asibor yung kanyang shot kanina. And nakabawi naman doon itong si Beltran. Sabi nga ng ating previous markers, basket, sabayan pa yan ng foul. Now, simple possession for the ACC Green Serpents. Galvez libreng-libre, pero a missed opportunity there. Now, USA Falcons to Asibor, hands it to Posada, fires for 3. No good on that attempt. Now, Galvez once again for the ACC Green Serpents, deadlock on 43 points.
Now, Naga here wanted to have that lead. Passes to Galvez. 10 seconds on the shoot here. Galvez now goes inside. Heavily guarded by Locke. Pero di alintana, hindi pa naipakasok yung bola. Locke was there for that rebound. Now chance here for the USI Falcons to get this opportunity and have the momentum. Doloso. And that's it! A big 3-pointer coming from Doloso. USI Falcons now on the lead here of 2 points. Napakagandang third quarter po ang ating napapanood. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Pero yung init ng laban ng ACC and the USI Falcons, ramdam na ramdam po natin. But on that last sequence, whistled foul here.
Now let's take a look dito sa ating instant replay. Grabe naman talaga yung tres doon. Coming from Doloso of the USI Falcons. Ayan at 2 points na yung kalamangan na hawak nila dito on the side of the USI Falcons. Well, kanina nakalamang din sila ng 2 puntos pero agad na napantayan ng ating ACC Green Serpents, and as we can see,
yes, the officials or the coaching staff on the side of the USI Falcons requesting for a replay here. But now let's see what will be the decisions of the officials.
and ayan na nga at nakikita natin na nagkakaroon dito ng pag-uusap itong ating mga officials together with the coach of the ACC Green Serpent, since parang may complaint doon itong si coach of the ACC Green Serpents dun sa naitawag na violation itong ating referees, but our officials is ensuring a fair and good gameplay, kaya naman we'll take a look at the instant replay. Ayan at while waiting for the decision of our officials, ayan at let's take a look muna dito sa ating replay.
Now it was between jersey number 5 and Asibor of the USI Falcons, and we're waiting for the confirmation on what will really be the call of the officials here. But as we can see, nasabi natin kanina na ito nga third quarter na ito, napakaganda ng pagsisimula dahil nag-umpisa na yung bakbakan sa pagpuntos. Talagang puntos after puntos para sa USI and ACC Green Serpents. And what a good combination plays coming from the players of the USI Falcons.
Ayan at the same ball possession pa rin tayo for the ACC Green Serpents. Now Benaobra, medyo nagbumagal dito si Benaobra. Well guarded by Locke now to jersey number 18. Now natawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 11 of the ACC Green Serpents. Turnover tayo dito on the side of the USI Falcons. Ayan, jersey number 5 si Ruelos to inbound. Now to Locke. But the same ball possession, napakahigpit natin nung defense ang pinapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents, and also as well as the USI Falcons. Now
Burse passes to Doloso. Ciruelos ngayon, back to Burse for a long three. What a flawless three-pointer coming from Burse. Napakaganda para dito sa side ng ating USI Falcons. At hanggang ngayon, kung mapapansin mo, Jasper, Naga still on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Walang pahinga simula ng first quarter up until the third quarter. And Burse again, still that ball here. Didiretso dito against Beltran. No good on that attempt. And that will be the basketball of the Green Serpents here, 44-49.
5 points lead ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating USI Falcons. Now let's see kung anong pagbawi ang gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And unang pagbawi na nga dyan yung DOS coming from jersey number 5. Grabe now. Almost a steal na naman from Kit Benaobra. Now, Lock. Well-guarded Lock. What a pass to Quijano! Grabe, Tin! Napakagandang gameplay ang pinapakita nitong ating USA Falcons kontra dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Mukhang pinapatunayan nila, Tin, na talagang undefeated sila ngayong season.
Yes, and the USI Falcons on the peak right now para dito sa ating third quarter. Lock no good on that three-pointer. Now let's see ano pang bawi dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Nagar goes inside. And that's an easy two for him. Nabawasan dito yung kalamangan ng USI Falcons. But now let's see kung tuloy-tuloy ba, consistent ba itong ating USI Falcons with that momentum. And the ball will go on the side, still on the side of the Falcons here. Ciruelos now to inbound here, 48-51.
Now, ball possession of the USI Falcons. Ayan at 3 points ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating USI Falcons now. Lock nagmamadali but out of bounds as the same ball possession will go to the USI Falcons. Now, no good on that 3 points attempt by jersey number 18, Burse. Now, Nagar, nagmamadali dito. Nagar almost getting that 2 points pero no good on his attempt. Back-to-back chances for the USA Falcons once again. Pero, wala na this time. But on their third chance, may kasabay na ditong foul. Ayan. Therefore, jersey number 15, Graho, will be getting that 2 free throws.
Now, 1 minute and 46 seconds remaining here sa ating third quarter. 48-51. 3 puntos po yung hinahabol ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Naging baliktad yung ating third quarter dito. Pero let's see dahil meron pa tayong last quarter na hinihintay kung ito bang ACC Green Serpents babawi dito or the USI Falcons will continue to get their momentum here and get the 5th spot for our quarterfinals. Now, Graho on the free throw line. First free throw. No good. Now, kailangan nila yung mga free throws ngayon to really secured a spot here. Graho for his second free throw. That's good. Now, it's the ACC's basketball.
Now, Benaobra with 1 minute and 38 seconds on the game clock. Now, jersey number 18 has it to John Nico Nagar. Now, has it to Beltran. Beltran, well guarded Beltran. Grabe, napakahigpit na depensa coming from the ACC Green Serpents.
But one of the players of the USI Falcons, I think Ciruelos, is now down. 1 minute and 17. 48-52. 4-point lead of the USI Falcons. Now let's see if Ciruelos can continue this game against the ACC Green Serpents.
Well, nandyan yung ating mga medics para i-check yung ating mga players if they can still play for their teams. Four points lead of the USI Falcons sa natitirang 1 minute and 17 seconds ng ating third quarter. Now locked to inbound. Now Doloso on the corner, jersey number 18, Burse. But a defensive rebound coming from jersey number 18. Now to Benaobra of the ACC Green Serpents. Galvez almost a 2. A missed opportunity of the ACC Green Serpents. Now to Burse. Grabe, back-to-back points. Posada rather. Back-to-back points coming from the USI Falcons.
Now, Nagar heavily guarded here, and as we can see, buhay na yung ating USI community na sumusuporta dito sa ating Falcons. But a quick replay on that last sequence, as we can see here. Napakaganda nung assist doon. Posada having that point here.
Well, pinasiguro na yung tin ni Locke.
Oo, talagang.
Para talagang sigurado yung kanilang puntos doon. But as we can see, Nico Nagar will be getting that free throws on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, 49-54, 41 seconds remaining. Now, let's see if Nagar can take the second free throw and make it just a 4-point lead here before our third quarter ends. Now let's see as the USI Falcons on the offense. And the ball will stay on the side of the Falcons here. Now the players here of the ACC Green Serpents, you can see the frustration in their faces. Now Del Rosario, medyo tahimik para dito sa ating third quarter. Now Locke, heavily guarded by jersey number 7. Pass to Deloso. Munti ka nang mawala, pero stepping on the line here. So that will be a turnover for the side of the Green Serpents.
25 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Ayan, at still, hindi naman masyadong nakakalayo itong ating USI Falcons sa kanilang kalamangan. Sabi ata nitong ating ACC Green Serpents, chill lang kayo dahil babawiin namin yan. And we'll have to wait for that moment if they can still retrieve the leads of the USA Falcons. Now, grabe, nagmamadali itong sinagar. Parang may pupuntahan din. Naibaba na nga sa 2 puntos na kalamangan. And that's the end of our third quarter. 2 points lead of the USA Falcons. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back for the fourth and final quarter of the matchup of the USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents. Ayan, Jasper, doon sa ating third quarter. Before it ends, the USI Falcons, napakalaki yung kalamangan na hawak nila. Pero, before the third quarter ends, the ACC Green Serpents, ayun na naman, gumawa na naman ng maraming puntos. At because of that, 2-point lead na lamang po ang hawak ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. And then they need to continue their momentum kung gustong-gusto nilang makuha yung pang-5 spot dito. Now, Locke, too short for that 3 points, but Grahos was there with a foul here for Grahos. So it will be a 3-point opportunity here. What a good start for our final quarter for the side of the USI Falcons. A quick replay on that one. Grao, di alintana yung mga bantay sa baba. Nagawan pa ng paraan yan. Now, ACC Green Serpents. Buena obra. 52-57. Munti ka na mawala. Jersey number 18 now. Passes to Buena obra again. Step back. No good on that 3-point attempt.
Sayang yun, napakaganda sana ng fake niya doon, Tin. Now, USI Falcons. Now, John Nico nag-around the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nagmamadali. Getting that 2 points. Grabe, wala talagang sinasanto itong si John Nico Nagar of the ACC Green Serpents. Napakarami yung bantay doon, but yet he still insisted to put that 2 points. Now, Doloso naman ngayon on the side of the USI Falcons, hands it to Posada with 5 seconds on the shot clock. Now, Posada. And no good on that 3 points attempt by jersey number 13, Lok. Saktong-sakto dun sa pagtatapos sana ng kanilang shot clock. Now, ACC Green Serpents once again. 3 points lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. Let's see. John Nico Nagar. Parang itinapon niya lang dun yung bola, but he did not get that 2 points. Now, Doloso to Lok. Now, on the outside. Posada, a good ball rotation on the side of the USI Falcons. What a steal coming from Kit Benaobra na ngayon nagmamadali to jersey number 18. Grabe, gigil na gigil ang ating referee. Malinaw na malinaw, nakita niya yung foul doon. Grabe. Coming from Lok. Grabe yung pagdila doon. Itong si jersey number 18 of the ACC Green Serpents getting that 2 points, 3 points play opportunity. And this time, lamang na sila dito. I mean, deadlock na tayo sa 57 points. Ayan, Del Rosario to jersey number 18 sana, pero natawagan dito ng pushing foul itong si Beltran on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ayan at 8-minute mark ng ating fourth and final quarter. Now, jersey number 18 to inbound on the side of the USI Falcons. And as we can see, the coach and our officials is having a discussion dito sa ating courtside about that call or regarding to that call. Ayan at 7th minute mark na ng ating fourth and final quarter. And let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Chen on the side of the USI Falcons. Chen, take it away.
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. Andito na nga tayo sa last quarter of the game. At rinig na rinig pa rin natin ang hiyawan at sigawan dito ng USI community. At malaking tulong ito para mapalakas ang loob ng kanilang players. The last reminder nga ni Coach na tiyagaan ang depensa. Use your mind to execute this last quarter dahil masyadong higilang players sa bawat galaw na ipinapakita. Kaya naman, sino kaya ang uuwing panalo? Kaya sikapin tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. Once again, this is your courtside reporter, Chen, from the side of the Falcons. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan nga itong ating USI Falcons with the help of the USI community. Talagang napakaganda nung nagiging result nito para sa kanila dahil napakaganda ng performance nila. And with this last quarter of the game, mas paiigtingin nila yung depensang ipinapakita nila dito. And on the other side of things, the ACC Green Serpents still continues to get a point here at hindi nagpapahuli doon sa sunod-sunod na momentum ng USI Falcons. Kaya titingnan natin with that 7-minute mark of the fourth quarter, ano yung magiging adjustment dito ng ACC Green Serpents to get this win this afternoon and still the 5th spot for our quarterfinals. And to hear an update, andyan si Les. Hi Les, balita natin dyan.
You are still watching Bucal Season 6 for the last quarter of the battle for the 5th spot. Walang duda na mas lalo pang ang umiinit ang labanan dito sa ADNU Gymnasium as the tension increases for the both teams. The last quarter was not the best quarter for the Green Serpents as the Falcons dominated the quarter. The Serpents' key players have been tightly guarded, limiting their effectiveness. Now that we are on the last quarter, the Serpents must double their hustle and make strategic adjustments by focusing on enhancing defensive pressure and improving ball movement on offense to clinch the win and claim their most coveted spot this season. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. I am Nazine Habala, your courtside correspondent, reporting from the bench of ACC Green Serpents. This is Bucal Season 6 for FiberX.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And ay yan na nga nakikita natin, nakalamang na ang ating ACC Green Serpents ng 4 na puntos dito. At napatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang ating USI Falcons. Grabe, nakabawi na sila doon sa kalamangan na nagawa ng ating USI Falcons, and we will have to see kung paano nila to i-maintain, kung paano sila na mananatiling lamang dito sa ating 4th and final quarter as we are on the midway of our 4th and final quarter.
At ayan nga Jasper, napakaganda nung laban na ipinapakita sa atin ng USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents. This just means na hindi na tayo nasa elimination round eh. Andito na tayo sa play-in kung saan talagang yung magagaling na players, magagaling na teams, yung naglalaban-laban dito. At napakaganda lang nung ipinapakita ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. From the first quarter, hindi naging maganda yung kanilang outcome. Second quarter, but the third quarter was their quarter. And now dito sa ating 4th and final quarter, ano yung gagawin nila na ngayon ay nakuha na muli ng ACC Green Serpents yung 4 na puntos na kalamangan dito. While on the other side, the ACC Green Serpents, talagang napakagaling po ng mga players dito. We have Galvez, Beltran, Nagar, Bonaobra. Talagang kailangan mong tingnan itong mga players na to. And with that, Galvez steal that ball. Pero no good on that attempt. Libreng-libre na sana dito. Now, Dolores, or Doloso, rather, with the ball here. Now, heavily guarded by jersey number 5. 10 seconds to shoot here. Burse passes to Asibor. Asibor fires, no good. Offensive rebound para dito kay Ciruelos. And the Falcons added a point on their team here. 5:19 on our time clock. Now let's see here as the Green Serpents on the offense now. With that 2-point lead, what will they do to extend the lead here against the Falcons? Jersey number 5. Napakaganda nun, nalusutan pa at nakakuha ng puntos dito. Now, Falcons on the offense. Will they get the point here and lessen that gap of the Green Serpents? Doloso. Still no good here. A lot of opportunities for the nth time. Asibor gets that ball. Asibor goes inside. Pass to Burse for a 3-pointer. And that's it. They get a clean 3-point basket here. Big things para dito sa ating USI Falcons. We can hear the cheering of the community of the USI here. 63-62. Now, jersey number 5 now. 5 seconds to shoot here. Tries, no good. Now chance here for the Falcons. Tuloy-tuloy yung momentum nila dito. Doloso now fires for a 3-pointer. And that's a back-to-back 3-pointer from the USI Falcons, Jasper. And as we can see right now, the fans here of the USI, we can feel the tension now. 4 minutes and 1 second remaining. 63-65.
Grabe. 2 puntos na kalamangan na ulit. Yung hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating USI Falcons.
Ayan, nabigyan nga ng warning dito sa side ng USI Falcons with that hand gestures coming from Doloso. Sayang yung puntos na yon, pero dito na natin. Bawi kung bawi dito sa dalawang kuponan na ito. Galvez now on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Now, can he tie the game on 65 all? First basket was good. Now let's see for the second time here if... So isang free throw lang po yung naibigay dito kay Galvez. Now 64-65.
At diretso na yan 10. Mukhang... let's see kung timeout nga ang igagawa dito. At ayun na nga 10. Timeout nga ang itinawag dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Well, let's see kung ano yung game plan nila dito. Napakadikit din, napakagitgitan ng laban natin since sa ating first quarter. Grabe, hindi rin talaga pumayag itong dalawang teams na ito na bumitaw na lang ng basta-basta. And as we see, dun sa nagdaang quarters, well, hindi rin lumayo yung kalamangan nitong ating Green Serpents. Also, on the side of the USI Falcons, hindi rin sila nakalayo. And this time, isang puntos na kalamangan ng hawak ng ating USI Falcons. Let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy ba yung kanilang kalamangan dito sa ating 4 minutes remaining or mababawi yan ng ACC Green Serpents at sila naman yung magpapatuloy ng kanilang momentum run.
And now, 64-65. What an intense game between the USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents. Now, let's see here as the ACC have a chance here to take on the lead as the 4-minute mark begins to slowly burn now. No, Green Serpents on the offense. Nagar trying to go inside, but that will be a traveling violation. So another turnover, very crucial turnover para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. They really need this. But now let's see if itong USI Falcons, if they can convert a point after this sequence. Now Ciruelos passes to Asibor. But that will be a backward violation. So both teams, sunod-sunod na turnover para dito sa kanila. So a lot of lost opportunity for both USI and the ACC. Now Green Serpents on the offense now. Jersey number 5. Passes to Nagar. 12 seconds to shoot here. Now let's see. To Galvez. On the other side. Jersey number 5 now. Heavily guarded here. Hindi ka na makuha ni Burse, pero naubusan na ng oras dito ang ating Green Serpents.
Mahigpit na depensa 10 yung pinapakita na nitong ating USI Falcons dito sa natitirang 3 minutes and 20 seconds ng ating fourth and final quarter. Now jersey number 3 Asibor on the side of the USI Falcons. Asibor looking for a good opportunity here with 8 seconds to shoot. Now Asibor di diretso. Quijano getting that 2 points. Grabe. Napakalaki doon ni Quijano. On the center, waiting for that ball.
Yes.
And without hesitation, agad-agad niya yung ipapasok. And this time, natawagan dito ng holding foul. Itong si jersey number 3, Asibor, on the side of the USI Falcons.
Now, big man Quijano having a big factor of that points of the USI Falcons. Now, Galvez. Passes to Beltran. Beltran fakes for a 3. But Asibor was there for that guard. Now, 7 seconds to shoot here for the Green Serpents. But a steal from the side of the Falcons. And Bona Obra. Tinapek yung bola coming from Asibor. So this is an opportunity for the Green Serpents. Now Obra goes inside, passes on the corner here. Jersey number 5 now. That will be a foul. And jersey number 5 will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. 64-67. Just a 3-point lead of the USI Falcons, and the chance here to make it just a 1-point lead if they can shoot these 2 free throws. First free throw was good at isang puntos na lang o isang free throw na lang yung kailangan niya dito para maibaba sa isa ang kalamangan ng USI Falcons. Now jersey number 5. Second free throw no good. Pero offensive rebound. No good on that fadeaway shot. 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining para dito sa matchup ng ACC and USI Falcons. Napaka-intense, napaka-intindi ng pinapakitang performance ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Now Beltran on the free throw line here to adjust the score of the ACC. And to hear a quick update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, let's hear it from Liz. Hi Liz, anong balita natin dyan?
This is the ultimate battle of grit and determination. Talagang walang gustong sumuko at walang gustong magpatalo. Ika nga ni Coach, depensa lang at huwag magsasawang magdepensa. Protektahan ang bola at ibuhos na ang lahat para sa larong ito. As the battle continues to get neck and neck, it's too early to anticipate who will bring home the 5th spot this play and round.
Thank you so much, Liz, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And ayun na nga, neck to neck na yung laban dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents and the USI Falcons. Grabe. Isang puntos na lang kasi yung kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating USI Falcons. And Quijano dito makakakuha ng 2 free throws on the side of the USI Falcons. And speaking of the USI Falcons, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Chen. Chen, take it away.
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. Last 2 minutes of the game na nga at patuloy pa rin na nagpapakita ng bangis at galing ang Falcons sa larangan ng basketball. Kailangan lang nilang i-doble ang kanilang effort at bigay ang all-out na galing para makuha ang panalo. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan, bigay todo na for this last 2 minutes and 2 seconds of the game here. Now the USI Falcons have an advantage of 2 points here. But let's see, napakabilis lang kunin ng ACC Green Serpents yung puntos nila dito. Now kailangan ng Falcons is yung depensa. Well, on the other side, opensa para sa side ng Green Serpents. Now jersey number 18 goes inside. No good on that one. Offensive rebound, tries one more time. Pero that will be a traveling violation. And with that turnover, ito, USI Falcons have a chance here to extend the lead. Make sure na yung ACC hindi makahabol dito. But we have 1 minute and 37 seconds remaining. Hindi natin alam kung ano pa yung pwedeng mangyari sa larong ito. Because both teams are really ready to conquer and take on the 5th spot.
Now, 1 minute and 37 seconds remaining na nga lang 10. And grabe. Very crucial na itong part ng game na ito. Since maya-maya lamang, habang nauubos ang ating oras ay malalaman na natin kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng 5th spot. Now, Doloso to Asibor. Well guarded Asibor. Now to Doloso once again. Asibor for 3 and that's good! Grabe! 3 points coming from Asibor. And 66-71 na po ang ating score dito. Let's take a look at it once again. Asibor without hesitation. Grabe, nothing but the basket. Napakalinis ng basket doon 10 coming from Asibor of the USI Falcons. And 5 points lead sa natitirang 1 minute and 13 seconds remaining.
At ito nga yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, Jasper. Asibor, medyo tahimik doon sa mga unang quarters, pero sa kakailangan, ayun, bumomba na itong si Asibor. Kaya naman ngayon ang ating USI Falcons may 5 puntos na kalamangan dito, and they really need to take care of that. Because as of the moment, 1 minute and 13 seconds, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari. The ACC Green Serpents pwedeng bumawi dito at muling ibaba yung kalamangan. And hindi natin alam if they can really get this win this evening. So let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. Turn of events dito, napaka-exciting, napaka-intense po ng laro ng USI Falcons at ng ACC Green Serpents. At napakaganda din dahil talagang level up na yung mga performance dito ng mga kupunan para dito sa ating play-in. Kaya bukas po, abangan nyo pa po ang talagang pinasiksik na mga intense na game po na hatid po sa inyo ng Bucal Season 6 and of course ng Oragon Sports TV.
What more din sa ating quarterfinals, semifinals, and sa ating finals, since play-in pa nga lang ganito na kagaganda, kahihigpit, kai-intense yung mga laban natin dito sa Bucal. And we have to wait for that moment kung sino-sino yung maglalaban sa ating quarterfinals, semifinals, and of course sa ating finals this season. Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Kit Buenaobra to inbound. Now, Galvez fires for 3. No good on that attempt by Galvez. Almost a 3. Now to jersey number 18. And a foul coming from Galvez. Ayan, at the same ball possession tayo dito for the USI Falcons. The last minute natin ang ating battle for the 5th spot. Now,
and the ball will go. And that will be magkakaroon ng pag-check from our officials here if kanina ba mapupunta yung ball possession na yan. And we only have 58 seconds remaining for our 4th quarter. 66-71, a 5-point lead coming from the side of the USI Falcons. Talagang pinangahawakan ngayon ng USI Falcons yung kanilang straight win streak during the elimination round. At napakaganda na talagang hanggang ngayon, hawak-hawak nila yon, pinapakita sa lahat ng teams na they really deserve the spot na meron sila ngayon. And overcoming yung 5th spot, kung makuha nila yung panalo nila dito sa ACC Green Serpents, isa talaga yung USI Falcons sa aabangan dito ng lahat ng teams.
Grabe. Ayan, at while waiting for the replay, pasalamatan na muna natin din ang ating mga sponsors na walang sawang sumusuporta sa Bucal. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gloffa Construction, ACLC, Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Revenues Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. And now, 58 seconds remaining sa ating 4th and final quarter. Very crucial na ito din sa dalawang teams na ito. And let's see kung the ACC Green Serpents can manage to retrieve that 5 big points, since yun na nga, napakaikli na nung oras natin. And let's see naman kung paano ipapagpatuloy nitong ating USI Falcons yung kanilang momentum para manatiling undefeated dito sa ating season. And as we can see sa ating replay, ayun na nga, at malinaw na malinaw na tapik doon ng player coming from ACC Green Serpents. Ayan. Another whistle coming from our officials. Jersey number 11, Buenaobra. Matatawagan nga dito ng foul and makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws.
And now, talagang kahit yung mga coaching staff dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents, mainit-init na po talaga. Now, 66-72 na itaas pa sa napakalaking kalamangan dito ng ating USI Falcons. 6-point lead here with only 55 seconds remaining. Now, Asibor, second free throw was good here. And the time was called for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 7 puntos po yung hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And with that remaining 55 seconds, let's see if the ACC Green Serpents can do something about this. Pero yung USI Falcons hindi dapat magpakampante dito. Now let's see here as another timeout was called.
Grabe. 55 seconds remaining sa ating 4th and final quarter.
Now, Galvez goes inside, heavily guarded here, but a foul was whistled and he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. They need to take advantage of this foul at kailangan maipasok din yung mga free throws dito na nagagawa ng ACC Green Serpents if they really want to lessen that gap and have a chance, still have a chance here to take on the win this evening. Now, Galvez, first free throw. That's good. Now, 6 na lamang ang hawak dito. Will they make it a 5-point lead? Now, Galvez for his second free throw here. 67-73, 49 seconds remaining. Now Galvez, second free throw. Let's see. Very crucial free throw for the Green Serpents. No good. Deloso with that rebound. Now Sibor. Heavily guarded here. And Quijano. Solong-solo yung ring dyan. And still continues to getting a point here. Buenaobra nagmamadali dito. And that will be a timeout for the side of the USI Falcons. 67-75 with 35 seconds remaining. Now, as we can see right now, players of the ACC Green Serpents with that frustrations in their faces. They need to compose themselves because 35 seconds still a long way to go here. And as for the side of the USI Falcons, talagang hindi nila binatawan yung malaking kalamangan nila. What a change of momentum here for the side of the USI Falcons. Medyo nahirapan sila during the first quarter up until the second quarter. Bumawi nung third quarter at nagdire-diretso pa patungo sa ating fourth quarter. And they have a lead here of 8 points. And also big thanks para dito sa ating live audience sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium na talagang sumusuporta po sa ating USI Falcons. And of course sa mga supporters po ng ating ACC Green Serpents na nanonood din po ng live sa ating Facebook Live na Oragon Sports TV. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay at sa patuloy pong pagsubaybay ng ating maiinit at intense na laro dito sa nagpapatuloy na ating Bucal Season 6. Now, let's see here. Back to the ball game, 67-75 with 35 seconds remaining. It will be a ball possession of the Falcons here. Lock to inbound.
Now, lock for the USI Falcons, 35 seconds remaining. Now, Asibor, well guarded by John Nico Nagar. Now, Asibor looking for a good opportunity here with 5 seconds to shoot. And another three coming from jersey number 18 of the USI Falcons. Grabe, ayun na nga, 10. Nagtuloy-tuloy na yung kanilang dominant run here, pero agad namang nakaganti dyan ng 3 points si jersey number 6, John Nico Nagar. Grabe, back-to-back points, 3 points pati, and back-to-back timeout din. Grabe, what a shot. And of course, yung ating instant replay hatid sa atin yan ng ating media partner, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, headed by our station manager, Sir Jermin Jacob, our technical director, Sir Kim Monteroso, ang ating napakagandang production administrator, we have Ma'am Irene Tosok. Ayan, and syempre yung mga napakasisipag nating cameramans, we have Sir Brian, Sir Jameson Gabarda, Ma'am Niela Berido, and ayan, maraming salamat po.
And now we are back on the ball game here. 18 seconds remaining, 70-78. What a good matchup here. And also, with that 18 seconds remaining, will the ACC Green Serpents have a miracle here on getting an 8-point lead, bounce back para dito sa natitirang segundo. Now, Asibor with the ball possession, Doloso. Now, a foul was whistled to jersey number 18. And Doloso will be on the free throw line here. With 16 seconds remaining, it will be hard for the ACC Green Serpents. Nahabulin yung 8 puntos na kalamangan dito. But still, a good match-up. Napakaganda nung pagsimula ng ACC Green Serpents. Pero, itong USI Falcons talagang umarangkada during the third quarter of the game at nagtuloy-tuloy po yung magandang momentum doon sa side ng kanilang kupunan. Another whistle foul here.
The same ball possession lamang for the ACC Green Serpents. Now, John Nico Nagar with 10 seconds on the game clock. Fires for 3 and that's good! Pumupuntos pa rin itong si Nagar dito sa last 6 seconds ng ating fourth and final quarter. Ayan, another foul coming from jersey number 11, Kit Bonaobra. At mabibigyan na naman dito ng 2 free throws itong ating USI Falcons. Grabe indeed, teen. Napakaganda nung laban na natunghayan natin. The second game for our play-in.
Now, Ciruelos. 73-78, a 5-point lead of the USI Falcons. No good on that first free throw. 6 seconds na lamang po ang natitira dito sa ating matchup ng USI and ACC. At kahit ganun pa rin, todo pa rin yung depensa at yung gameplay na sa loob ng court para sa side ng USI Falcons. Now, let's see. As the last 5 seconds of the game here, jersey number 17 Galvez fires for a 3-pointer. At naging sunod-sunod na nga yung 3-point shot dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Kinailangan nila to during the early minutes of the fourth quarter At ngayon lang, lumabas yung mga 3-point shot ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, let's take a look at it again with Galvez. Yung first three-pointer dito sa side ng ACC, it was Nagar. And then Galvez on that second one. Napakaganda ng laro talaga natin dito. ACC and USI talagang maaalala mo na binigay nila yung lahat dito. Both teams, both deserving to have this win this evening.
Well, kilala natin to, itong ating ACC Green Serpents sa kanilang game-changing. Kung naaalala nyo during the first round of eliminations yung laban nitong ating ACC Green Serpents and the UNC Greyhounds dun sa natitirang 82 milliseconds by Kitwe na obra. Grabe, nauwi pa nila dun yung panalo after that 3 points dun sa natitirang 82 milliseconds. And let's see, since we'll be having a replay dito sa ating oras, since kanina may 1 segundo pang natitira doon sa ating game clock.
Ayan, for shoutout din dito kay Jameson Gabarda, kay Janaila Berido, and now 76-79 on our scoreboard. 3 puntos yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. And we're waiting for the confirmation of the officials here.
Still waiting for the officials or the decision of our officials. Kaya quick shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live na kanina pang nakatutok. We have here PJ Cias, Harold Sendico, Jay Alvarez, Mark Vincent Cañeso, Johan Gorobat, Neil Quejano, and Nico Mirabuen. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, at I think we have a decision or a verdict from our officials. Magkakaroon tayo dito ng adjustment sa ating game clock. Since kanina nga may natitira pang 1 segundo at i-adjust lamang natin yan para maipagpatuloy natin yung ating game. Ayan, 96 milliseconds ang ating official remaining game clock. Now, Ciruelos getting that free throw. Grabe, napakagandang laban ang natunghayan natin. Well, tomorrow, we still have our play-in round games. Ayan, at mixed in the seniors and the juniors division. And Ciruelos get that 2 free throws, and that's the end of our battle for the 5th spot. Congratulations to the USI Falcons for being still undefeated for Bucal Season 6. And syempre, congratulations then to the ACC Green Serpents for giving us a very good game. Maraming salamat po. And we'll be back para makilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard.
And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. This time, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game, none other than Jolark Asibor, jersey number 3 with 15 points, 3 rebounds, 7 assists, and 4 steals. Hatid sa atin yan ng Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, where love is service. Alright, so first of all, congratulations sa pagkapanalo nyo this afternoon. And first of all, what was the feeling na na-upset nyo yung ating first runner-up last season? And of course, with the pressure na 10 lang kayong naglaro this afternoon?
Unang-una po sa lahat, masaya po kami kasi kahit madami kaming pinagdaanan simula pa nung una, yung bago pa magsimula ang Bucal, still wala pa kaming talo. Pero mahirap po kasi lalong-lalo na 10 na lang po kami ngayon. Pero sabi ni Coach, every game dapat ibigay lang namin lahat, focus lang, and hindi kami mag-expect, manalo matalo, basta ginawa namin lahat yun.
And nakita naman nga natin yun this afternoon na talagang ginawa nyo naman yung inyong best this afternoon. And next is, sa magandang performance na natunghayan natin this afternoon, ano pa yung mga dapat naming abangan sa team nyo since the quarterfinals is upcoming, paparating na yung ating quarterfinals, and your team is still undefeated this season.
Opo. Sa totoo lang po, yung simula nung dumaan ng mga bagyo, nawalan kami ng ensayo. Siguro lahat naman po ng school di nakapag-ensayo. Pero hindi yun ang dahilan para tumigil kami. And yun, abangan nyo po na mas dodoblehin pa namin, gagawin po namin ang lahat para makuha po namin ang championship.
Alright, so yun yung kailangan namin abangan on the side of the USA Falcons. And now, I'm giving you the floor to shout sa lahat ng supporters and your fans.
Thank you po kay Lord sa pagbigay niya sa amin ng panalo. And congrats din po sa ACC. Shout out po sa mga teammates ko, sa mga coaches, salamat din po sa USA community, kila Sir Dwight, kila Coach Tupe, tapos sa mga kaklase ko dyan na nanood, sa mga tropa ko, sa family ko sa Libmanan, and sa girlfriend ko po, shout out, yun.
And that's it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our best player of the game, jersey number 3, Jolark Asibor. Congratulations. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And that's our best player of the game, Julak Asibor. Napakagandang performance coming from the undefeated USI Falcons. At bukas po, abangan nyo pa po ang matitinding bakbakan para dito sa ating play-in. And of course, kasama nyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes.
And I am Jasper Abante. Siyempre, pasalamatan din natin yung mga nakasama natin sa courtside. We have Liz and Jen. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng umantabay only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.